Hi, welcome. And thank you so much for coming back and tuning in on time. As this is the fourth day we are doing on a 6 p.m., right? Okay, thank you so much, all of you. And today we are reaching another decade, on our 60th day today. So we're continuing the discussion of a Q&A session. Yesterday we did a FAQ and Q&A. So we could not finish many of the questions yesterday. But today we'll be continuing those questions as all of you understand. I'm glad that is all of you asking a relevant question, and more specifically you are going back to the recordings and putting in the questions. I'm glad. Thank you so much. And it's very, very important that, because now once we start a promotion, we may not go back to these topics. So please do finish off. I think today, if we are not able to finish, we do Thursday as usual, or Q&A day. We'll do that one. Today, I think around approximately 100 more questions are there. I try to make it faster, respond. And most of the thing is actually covered. But actually, I'll tell you some of the questions are relevant, because that way we are not, that perspective is not done. Okay, so thank you so much. I think we'll jump into the questions and we'll go with the answers as well. And most of the thing I think I'll be able to answer today. And in case if anything is there, I'll postpone on Thursday and refer and come back to you. Okay, thank you so much. Once again, and please get settled in, and I'll connect you to the questions. Okay, so once again, welcome and assalamu alaikum. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends upon your time zone, to the 60th day of our 100 Days Digital Mastery Challenge. Today, 14th of September, on Monday, I'm 7 p.m. I'm live from Doha, Qatar. So now we will continue with the questions. Yesterday we started many questions. So today I'll take the quickly, because we need to finish today. In case I'm not sure that today we can finish, but I'll do super fast. And we'll continue. Tomorrow is important to continue a very, very important topic. So before our online shopping model on 19th, we need to cover that e-commerce topic is important, because that's a foundation part. So tomorrow, definitely, I think you and your colleagues and most of you to come back with a fresh topic, a kind of a new topic. So we'll discuss about it. Okay. Now, we'll start with the first question. Mr. Anil Raj is asking, what is recurring billing? Okay, what is recurring billing in terms of, I think we might have got this question from affiliate marketing, where affiliate recurring billing. For example, we mentioned the ADM website, builder.com. There's a recurring billing, you get affiliate commissions. So what is exactly recurring billing? So you can pay monthly for a website. For an ADM website builder, we charge $18 or $25 for you make one website and running on a cloud and everything. So every month you pay $25 or $50 or $100, depends upon the package you have taken. Now, when that billing happened as affiliate, so for example, now Mr. Anil Raj promoted this affiliate program, and some guy who take up the sign up, and when he signed up for $100, you get a 35%. I think 25% is affiliate commission there. So you get a $25, not one time. Every time he does that, that means he pay every month. Many of the billings is for us is a monthly. So every billing we will do based on a monthly, right? So every month that client paying $100, you keep getting $25 as long as he's keep billing. That's called a recurring billing. So recurring every month there is a billing, and every month you get paid as well. So that kind of an affiliate program is really encouraged, because you continuously get not one time. You can continue that. You want to try this? Please go and try with the ADM website builder.com. So there is an affiliate program. There is a recurring affiliate programs out there. So please do try that one. Okay. Next question from Anil Raj. What is a ClickBank Gravity? Okay, ClickBank Gravity. There's one exclusive day we had done for a ClickBank. So please go through and understand. The Gravity is basically the products there based on a market and demand and etc. There is a Gravity is mentioned. So there is a bounce rate. So many factors are there. I think I spent approximately 1 hour explaining about the Gravity and Gravity strategy as well. So please refer Affiliate Mastery. In that one day we talk about ClickBank, 1 or 2 days about ClickBank, and both days we can discuss about the Gravity. So please refer that Affiliate Mastery videos. Mr. Anil, my niche is a Bluetooth products. What are the services to be included in my niche? So Bluetooth products, you can have services like a repair and servicing on that one, or maybe some kind of a tools or a technology part you wanted to provide. That is can be a downloadable softwares, can be an app, can be video, can be tutorial, can be different thing, can be based on that services you can offer on it. Okay. Will the long tail keywords be always researched in a global perspective? Not necessary, based on your market. If you're looking for a US market, you only look for a US market. If you're looking for a Middle Eastern market, you only country specific, you can research, do that one. If you're not looking for a global business. If you're looking for a global business, definitely it has to be global perspective. Will the 11 primary keywords mainly consist of unique and specialized long tail keyword? Primary keywords mainly consist of unique and specialized long tail. Unique and specialized, I'm not sure what exactly you meant. Every keywords, primary keywords has to be different 11. That's what your uniqueness you're asking? Yeah, 11 different keywords. Yes, that exactly we mean. So not a combination of that one. 11 different keywords we'll be using on. Okay. So how does a YouTube syndication work? So YouTube syndication work with immediately ranking in Google. Within a short period, you can actually rank and reach to the Google first page itself. So it's a syndication is a process on a part of an SEO. We've done on one of the strategies, the YouTube syndication strategies. We'll be covering again on the promotional aspect, again a YouTube syndication and Wikipedia syndication as well. While searching for a keyword, certain sites are asking for a payment. Is there any payment, less keywords searching for a site? Yeah, of course, you can go to adwords.google.com. That's one of the reasons we are asking you to use Google, because it's a free. All other tools, most of the tools will be charging for a research one. They'll be charging $50, $100, but some of the tools worth paying. So if you don't want to pay, use adwords.google.com. That's the best way. Okay. Can we have a details of action plan of a social media influencer, micro level? Action plan in the sense, actually, a major action plan is building the audience. That's a major action plan, building the audience by using a various strategies like a 70-20-10 principle. You can go for 3I strategies and triple R strategies, all the things you can do. Or you can also go through YouTube Mastery, which we discussed about the branded channel. In that YouTube, we mentioned a strategy. So that kind of a strategy, also dopamine strategy we mentioned in that YouTube Mastery, you can also use that one. So similarly, various things. So maybe social media influencer, or you are more interested in, you join us a forthcoming or a newbie. There's a 25 hours of a training which we cover the detailed action plan as well. So you can actually sign up as if you're already an influencer or you have already an audience, you can actually register any of the categories. There's a 5 categories: celebrity and macro and micro and forthcoming and newbie. So any other thing you can sign up and you also get trained on it. Okay. Being the part of the company, what are the part are we taking in the dashboard in the website? Only products or any others? Majorly is the products, and plus SEO you do from there, newsletter you do from there. Major other aspect also will be doing. So part of the company's dashboard, that's what I understand it is, right? The affiliate website you are taking on the company, yeah, you'll have an updation on that, will be done. Okay. How to reduce the loading speed of a website? I think it's asked me yesterday. So it's reducing the speed is loading speed. I think I said yesterday that videos to reduce other content, like that kind of a loading part, reduce it. Okay. Which are the countries specifically we need to focus for our niche? Any country depends upon the market. So if you are taking use online store or online shopping mall, so majorly you need to focus on whichever the market you are focusing. That should be their market, your niche. So which market you have chosen, which country, basically majorly country, which country you have chosen, that country you should be focusing on it. In my niche, which model I need to give more importance, content model or a social media influencer model? Depends on the niche again, but so both are equally important according to me. Whichever the model you are taking, it has to be with the content. Very, very important nowadays. Content marketing is very, very important. Now, social media influencer depends upon your niche. Sometimes you have to increase the percentage of a focus on a social media influencer. Some of the content may not that record, but in general, in all the aspects, social media influencer play a role nowadays. Okay. Which spy tools are suitable for the affiliate market? There are a lot of types tools. We are not come to the, not even started discussing about any other tool. The part of the promotion aspects, we'll be discussing about various spy tools. I think one of the examples I mentioned it is when you do a campaign, you can actually use the spy tools to do a spy or work off what are the Amazon campaign going on. It's a part of a AOBB when I discussed about the automated online business bundle. So we use this kind of a tool to spy on other companies. For example, the spy tool you use for us to check that is which are the campaign at the moment running. So Amazon is running this many campaigns. So if already Amazon is running a campaign, you can use the same product to put into your affiliate or e-store to promote it. Especially in affiliate, you can use this one. Why? Because when for example, let's say Amazon is doing a campaign for Alexa now. The new new version of the Alexa came now. So you want to do campaign for Alexa. They're already running a Alexa campaign. So that means people are seeing it on a Facebook and social medias, commercial advertisement, even hoardings, even email marketing. The people are already seeing Alexa new version. Now the iPhone is going to come. So iPhone, they're going to use the same way. So all this place, what you can do is, when they do the campaign, same thing you also do, because people are already informed about this and people knows about it. That's a market trend. So there is a high possibility in your target audience also click your product and go and buy from Amazon. So this is the reason you need to use the various spy tools to understand what are other products. I mean, other campaigns, other products getting campaigned from their parent company or maybe merchants. How to understand the bounce rate in our website? Google Analytics, it's the easiest way. Google will tell you your bounce rate. So I'm going faster, as you know. I think if you have a counter question, please do ask. I'll respond on that. So you said a Flipkart affiliate program is now closed, so we are not able to apply for it. So this has, because of the merger, that is acquisition merger happened for Flipkart with Walmart. So now they're modifying everything. That definitely they'll open. They'll not give away, according to me, the affiliate program. They might modify that to come out again. So you can apply later if you don't have to. You don't have a Flipkart. Look for other merchant, or you can buy a flip with the website. Now this people are lucky. Many people wanted a Flipkart affiliate program. The people got applied earlier. They got affiliate program. Only thing is, Flipkart is not accepting new application. That's the right word. Okay, they're not closed. It is actually, you cannot apply now. The people already got an affiliate program with Flipkart. They're already continuing. They're not closed. Closed is closed for a new application, not for an existing one. Flipkart affiliate program is working, and many people are already using and all the people who signed up till last year, they're absolutely working and they're making money. And they got less competition now because not new people are not coming. Now, either you can wait or you can buy a website already have a Flipkart affiliate program. So if you have done it, some people already got a website last year. They signed up as an affiliate as a Flipkart, and your website, you get a good price now. Because why? You have an affiliate program of Flipkart. You just say that I have a Flipkart affiliate program. That itself is a value added for the people to get the price on it when you're flipping. For my website, I need to do a blog. Every website we recommend you to have a blog. Not necessary, you need to have purpose with us. Even if you're not a blogger, for a SEO purpose, blog is always good. So you need to do a blogging aspect. Okay. Related to offline affiliate, what if you see an interesting product on our website which is related to our niche, but the seller does not have an affiliate program? Even if we create a sales in there in any way, the measure and get paid. Okay, this is a good question. I agree that some of the amazing website does not have an affiliate program. It does not mean they don't have an affiliate program. They might have done with the CJ.com. They're doing with other affiliate networks. Most of the cases, you go to CJ.com like affiliate network, they have a partner. For example, you go to Apple.com. Apple Corporation website, normally they don't show affiliate program. Okay, but they are affiliate program with CJ.com. So you need to get an Apple affiliate program or to go to commissionjunction.com. Similarly, most of the cases, the good, amazing website, they don't mention affiliate program there, but they're doing it affiliate network. But there are a few cases, they're not started affiliate program, so we cannot do anything. Unless they have an affiliate program, we cannot do. So that's the reason we mentioned 80% of the products, 20% will not be there. 80% of the products and brand as part of the affiliate program. That means 20% still yet to start an affiliate program. So that 20%, you can have a reseller program, or you can do a kind of a partnership, or you can actually similar product you can find out from other companies and promote. But there are exceptions. So unless they start, we cannot do anything. So they need to have an affiliate program for us to promote that one. Okay. And by the way, there is something called offline affiliate. You can do an offline affiliate program, which is generating a coupon. There is a button in the dashboard. If our affiliate, there's an offline affiliate program. You can do a partnership. You give them a voucher, and that offline merchant will give you the feedback, or merchant give you the information. That is not like cookies based, not like API based. It is simply a coupon based, but as a manually, and that merchant owner should accept that is okay. Yes, so and so client came through you because of the coupon, because so then he pay you commission. That's offline. That is you and between you and merchants. It works, but many people do offline merchant affiliate program as well. Okay, so that's another solution for that. So you don't have to completely give away. For example, many of the restaurant does that. Many of the beauty clinic does that. You know why? Because usually they will not have an affiliate program on our websites. So, but they do affiliate. You promote them and you give them a, hey, whoever go to the spa or go to the beauty clinic, I'll give a 50% discount, 20% discount with the coupon. So they go with the coupon, so that client knows that you send them a client, and they give you percentage, or maybe it depends on the arrangement you do. So this can be a certain extent a solution, but ultimately that automated system or online, which is you're going through URL and passing the URL and getting based on the cookies you're buying, that is not there. So that unless that website has, they should have to do this one. SEO 101 having more than 10 different domains and targeting more than 10 different countries. How will it affect branding in any way? SEO 101 is a domain name. The ideas of keeping a different domain name is using a different keywords based domains. This will not affect in any way in the branding, because you're choosing 11 primary keywords. Based on 11 primary keywords, this domain is used. It's not necessary same website it is be added. It can be another blog, can be landing page, it can be a funnel page, can be an event page. So it depends upon how you're coming out of the strategy. Based on that, the domain can be different. So that based on domain, it's a niche, based on how you plan to rank in a Google first page, based on everything it changes. So it definitely not affecting the branding. Okay. What should I need to start with the first? An offer, email campaign, or PPC campaign? Obviously, you start with an email campaigns. That's the first thing to everyone do. That's a part of list building. I think I'll be covering the topic a couple of days from now, and doing various campaigns and doing it. That's very, very important part. Okay. How can we make use of ClickBank? ClickBank, anything on a digital products, private label products, master reseller product, JV products, and your own product you can sell. There is a huge benefits of ClickBank. Go and watch the affiliate mastery program. In that ClickBank, there's 2 days we had done. Please go through that one. Okay. How we can overcome the problem of ad blocker? No, we cannot overcome. So if they blocked it, they blocked it. There is no solution. Okay, so there's a maybe 1%, less than 1% of the people are there. Leave them. We don't want them actually. Okay. Can we affiliate in multiple countries? Of course, yes. You can affiliate with multiple countries. Why browsers or auto-clean cookies is not a threat to affiliate marketing? It's a threat to affiliate marketing. So in that case, the cookies, auto-clean is a company cannot get a cookies period. So when the customer go to the website, then and there he purchases only, you get it. You don't get it after some time. So auto-clean, some very few people keep it that. That's again a 1% of the cases. It's not an issue. But auto-clean is an issue, yes. What will funnel is in marketing? Oh, okay. This one day we had a topic on this one earlier. So I hope you know the landing page and funnel we discussed. But the usage of thing we are going to do in coming days. So you can see easily to understand funnel. You go to admwebsitebuilder.com. There is something called funnel and landing page. Click on that. You can understand how funnel arranged, how the landing page arranged. That's the easiest way, and utilize that. Anyway, landing page and marketing, the funnel and landing page is a very important part. Can you tell about affiliate scrapping? I'm sorry, I didn't know that. What is scrapping? I need to check it. I never heard about affiliate scrapping. Okay, I think this. I'll check it and come back to you. I'm absolutely no idea about affiliate scrapping. First time I'm hearing about it. If you have any idea, let me know. So get the link and everything. I don't know what is scrapping. Okay. My niche is a digital marketing. Suggest some ways to find my affiliate websites. How do I find quality affiliates? My niche is a digital marketing. Suggest some ways to find my affiliate website. How do I find quality affiliate? I'm not sure about the question, but what I understood, I'll tell you that is, if you're taking a digital marketing as a niche, it's a fantastic niche and very highly competition will be there. And there's a huge wide range. Digital marketing is a kind of a university, right? So much of things to learn about digital marketing now. So you need to be very particular. Are you going for a SEO? Are you going SEM? Are you going for social media? Are you going email marketing? Are you PPC campaign? Are you going to mobile marketing, mobile application marketing? So much of questions you should ask yourself. Then then you need to do. And the biggest challenge is your niche is digital marketing, highly competition. Why? All the digital marketing people knows about affiliate marketing, so they're going to compete with you. So you are entering to the to this war zone. So because people are there, all digital marketers are very skillful people, and their niche also will be digital marketing, and they know everything about digital marketing. So there you will have a problem. So unless you have a long-term vision, so long-term you have to build up. It's not very easy. Or you have to focus on something like, you say, I'll teach you YouTube syndication, or I'll tell you the ideas of a Wikipedia syndication. These are very few people do. So these are the things you can focus. Or you say, I'll set up a Wikipedia page for you. But Wikipedia does not have much. I don't know how do you make money. That to be we think about it. Okay. Based on my niche, can I use a physical products like laptop and smartphones? Also, yes, of course you can do anything, right? I have used an online and offline training in digital marketing in my niche. Is it okay to use both? Yes, but make sure that offline training also has an affiliate program. So they may not have an affiliate program, you don't get it. Okay. Can I use all the topics coming under digital marketing, or do I need to concentrate on a specific topic? Just now I answered. I didn't know this question is coming up. Okay, so just now check it. The answer one. Okay. The answer I said, you need to concentrate something which is very specialty and high demand and low competition and unique. In my niche, can I focus on a training given by experts such as Neil Patel, Digital Deepak, like that, or should I need to focus on training given by institute? According to me, you should go to training given by marketplace. They give you better commission, then you get a more place as well. Like a couple of days ago, we did that. What's the topic? Like Udemy, Audacity, Coursera, all these things you need to choose. So they have a better affiliate program than the institute, than the Neil Patel and Digital Deepak. So that will help you. Do we use a pre-sale or a review pages when promoting affiliate offers, or do we send traffic directly to the sales page? Both, you can do that way. So that's up to you to make a strategy. Both you can do. How to use white papers for SEO? One of the activities is white papers. You would use white papers for a ranking, plus also for opt-in list for email. So both papers you can use on it. Okay. I'm going quite faster, as I think I'm trying to answer all the things. Okay. What is the difference between brand name, domain name, and URL? Please state with an example. So brand name, domain name, and URL, I think immediately you say Amazon domain name, Amazon.com. URL can be Amazon.com/associates, Amazon.com/affiliates, Amazon.com/marketplace. It can be another, an example. Now, another example, if you think about is like brand name is Fly Emirates. So Emirates. Emirate Airlines is the brand name. Okay. So Fly Emirates is the word you use. Okay. The domain is flyemirates.com or .ae. So then flyemirates.com/business class, flyemirates.com/corporates. So that will be the URL come there. Okay. Hope you're clear on it. Whether the reseller rights in digital product selling is the same as like an affiliate marketing. Whether the reseller rights in digital products selling is named like affiliate marketing. No, reseller right is different and affiliate marketing is different. Reseller, you don't have a affiliate link and cookies period. Reseller, you don't have a cookies period. That's a major difference. You might forwarding the same link and they will be understanding about, but not the same way it works. It's a completely different way it's work on it. What is a tier commission? Okay, tier commission, interesting commission, which we covered in one time. Again, quickly, I'll tell you. For example, now, as you know, the affiliates are kind of a cult. Affiliates, when you start becoming in this industry, you know the people who are doing affiliate marketing, etc. And you recommend an affiliate program to someone else. So, for example, you recommended me an affiliate. You say, hey, this company is coming out with a good affiliate program, and I'm getting a 15%, I get 35%. They also pay CPC and CPM. So why don't you promote? So I start promoting. So whenever I get money, you also get money. So that's called one tier. So when I make money, I get a 10%, you also get a 3% or 2%. Now there is another, usually there are up to 5 tiers, commonly 3 tiers, up to 5 tier we can go. So another 2 tiers is basically maybe another 2-3% can be used. This is called tier commissions. It's a good one because if you can have a more tier-based merchants, you get a more repeated customers on. Please explain earning per click. Every click you get it, EPC or a CPC, almost the same. The different company define in a different way. So for example, best example is Google AdSense. So Google AdSense, you keep in your website. Someone click on it, you get paid. So it's called EPC. That's every 100 click this much, every 1,000 click this much, they'll pay you. That's called, some company call it EPC, some company calls it CPC, almost the same. Okay. What is a funnel? How it is relevant to website? Funnel is a process of happening sales. For example, if someone come to the website, not much process on there. So you bring to someone through a funnel. You first of all, you filter the people. Not everyone you take you to the inside. The persons you're putting to inside, you categorize. Based on a categorize it, you start selling. Not one place. Normally a shopping cart, what happens? You have a shopping cart, you add a product and buy it. So you're buying one product, you buy it and go, right? Here is you sell something for $18 first. Then he comes through that funnel. Next place you sell for $100 something. Then next places you sell it another 150 plus. Then he said, we have a luxury package, you give me another 50. So like that, 4 or 5 levels through the funnel he passed by, and upsell also happen. That's a process of a funnel. And you also get a people a premium. That's a method people use. So a lot of strategies. This is a beautiful one which all of you should learn to promote on it. So funnel and landing page is very, very important. Okay. What is add-on? How it is used in affiliate website? Add-ons are basically various kinds of market. Especially add-on is used in the name of Google. When you go to G Suite, there are a lot of add-ons. When in the G Suite, when you click on, you can see so many products there. So it's called add-ons. In add-ons, I think one of the things you might have referring is one of the add-on I recommended is when you start doing email marketing, the first thing you have to think about it is wherever you have a email. So today morning also I was talking to the mentors about it. Many people send you an email, and it's not in your contact, but they send you an email. And how do you know this all? Now you can go to each mail and take their email, each mail. So you think about you have 10 years of old email ID account. So it'll be more than 10,000 to 100,000 emails will be there, right? You get so many emails on a daily basis. So even you receive 100 emails, in a year it become 3,000 mails, right? Now, 30,000 mails, right? So in a year. So think about you have a 10 year, 300,000. Even if you get in 10, it will be a huge ramp. Right? Even if you have 10 in a day, 10 email is very much possible, right? So at least 10 mail whenever you open, you have. If you go to the promotion, so much more than that. You go to spam, it's more than that. So all this email, it's there with you. Now, when you start an email campaigning, so you need an email. So one of the best one is the people already send you an email. So you can pretend that thank you so much for your email because he already sent you. You don't have to send a random email. You say thank you for it has been quite some time you have been in touch with. Thank you for your email because he sent an email. That's why you can start an email campaign. So to do this one, you need to know their email ID. So instead of going to each 30,000 or 100,000 emails, you can extract entire email ID. You can download it as a CSV file or an Excel file. Then you can put it on your email campaign. So for that, there are a lot of add-ons. One of the add-ons is actually, you go to the G Suite. In the G Suite, there's an add-on. I forgot the name. Okay, there is a G Suite. You can scroll down, you can say email extractor. You click on that, and they give it's a freemium model. With 150 email IDs, you can utilize yourself. And free of cost. After that, you want to extract more, I think they're charging on it. So this is a Google marketplace, Google G Suite marketplace is an add-on. It's called add-on. So that's the one you should use it for extracting email IDs to go ahead. So when you start building a list building, this is an important aspect to have with you. Okay. Yeah. Next is please explain about syndication, how it can be improve the traffic in our website. Syndication is a process, as I mentioned earlier, to rank in a Google first page at the shortest time by utilizing the entire script of or the logic of Google or algorithm of the Google. So most common syndication is Wikipedia syndication. Another common one is a YouTube syndication. You can also do blog syndication. There are various syndications there, but most common is YouTube and Wikipedia. So that's a process. I think YouTube syndication and Wikipedia syndication we'll be doing ourselves for our campaign. That's a short in the championship time. One of the things we are doing is these 2 syndications. Okay. My niche is eco-friendly bamboo products. How to find whether it is high demand, low competition products or not. Keyword research, there is no other option on it. Based on our niche audience changes, how to determine the target audience. Based on our niche audience changes, how to determine our target audience. Changes, I don't understand what you mean. Based on our niche audience changes. Based on your niche audience, you have to determine target audience. I'm not sure what the question or the change, what the word. If you remove the change word is actually a question I'm getting. Anyway, what I understood is based on our niche audience changes, how to determine target audience. The answer is actually you have to determine your customers. That's your target audience, right? So go and watch the avatar of the concept, the avatar of your customer. I think in the part of a ClickBank, we have done that is Affiliate Mastery. There is an avatar of your customers. So you can see how you determine your target audience. With different qualities, psychographic and demographic, you can determine your customers. Okay. Difference between domain and brand name, which is just like to explain. Is it possible to use same website for 2 different niche? If it is compatible, I mean, if it is go with together, then you can use that one. Do I need to create an affiliate account on Amazon.in and Amazon.com because my niche is mainly based on the US market? So if your niche is based on a US market, definitely it's better to have Amazon.com. But some products, cheaper products, can be sourced from Amazon.in. Will be cheaper, and double check it is the market delivery. So that's important to answer. So you can have a multiple affiliate account with a multiple Amazon.au you can have, .fr you can have, .au you can have. It's different you can have. Okay. How to make a brand name for affiliate website products? Our niche products are already under some brand name. Example, if my niche is shoes, Nike is a brand. Are there any legal issues to consider while creating a brand name? Yeah. Any brand name usage is applicable to the copyright issue. That's obviously that just because you're doing affiliate program, you're not get away with. But here, what we are talking about, putting a brand name for your affiliate website, not for the products. So making a brand name for your affiliate website. So you are putting a store name. So for example, you starting a supermarket. Supermarket has a store. But every supermarket product you're keeping inside, the FMCG products or textile products or home appliances products or medical products, anything you have that has a brand, but still your supermarket has a name. Same way you have putting an affiliate website brand. So there's no problem with that. But now there's 2 things. One is affiliate point of view. Some of the brands name which you use, Amazon or like a companies, they don't give you affiliate approval, because your domain name use that name. For example, best typical cases which I know, a person, one of my workshop participants created a website called amaze.com. Amazon did not approve. Okay. So amaze.com, similar to amazon.com. So Amazon did not approve. So anything connected to that, best of Flipkart, they don't approve. Best of EPA, they don't approve. So anything connected to linking with their URL or a brand name, there's a possibility they reject. So they reject. They're not taking actions of legal actions. That will come to you where you get legal actions. That is an issue. They'll not approve. So you cannot approve. That means you cannot get an affiliate program. So that's the reason when I said when you're choosing a domain name, one of the things you need to consider, it is your merchant approval, affiliate friendly or not. It's called affiliate friendly because you can get an affiliate program. Now, where you get a issue, I think all of you know this is a big issue and a big scam. Many of the scammers use this one. Sometimes they create exactly like a SBI website or a State Bank, HDFC website or HSBC Bank website. Then people come and put a user ID, similar one, and they take the data and they use it in the real bank website. So that's the reason many of the other companies' brand here use, the people are suspicious about it. So people suspect you on it. Now, if you use that way, using their logo, you put it their logo, saying that it's you are claiming that you are the person in the same company, that's a get into. That's anyway part of a scam. That's what people do use it, right? You see many of the emails you get, hey, I have $30,000 to transfer to you, please go. You've seen their Gmail account comes, somewhat similar to corporate email ID comes, but actually it's not a URL is different. That's one of the big scam has been happening. So that's the reason better not to use their brand name here. You come out with a unique. Basically, what be the brand name, you should come out your niche. The moment you go for a niche, none of these companies is not valid to you because you will be niche focused. Second one is you go with a keyword and convey the message. These are the things as we discussed about the domain name. So when you go for that rule, you don't have these issues. I believe I answered that question. Multiple domain names, how it works for a single website. Yeah, you can have multiple website domain name to one website. So for example, whatever you type it in now, people type in a different domain name, it comes to one website. So for example, 11 primary keywords you have, you use 10 different keywords, but landing in one page, one website. You can have multiple domain name, various domain name, you pointed out to the, either pointed out, there's something called clocking. Clocking also pointed out also to one website. So it's called multiple domain name. So why it is? One is singular and plural. So for example, you started iPhone accessories, or maybe iPhone.com. Someone started iPhones.com or best of iPhones, iPhone.com, best of iPhones.com. So someone use plural and do compete with you. So you will be a loser. Or you use a plural, someone uses singular. So that's the reason you need to register both domain and point it out. So it's important to have. Maybe common misspellings. That's what I have been talking about. Color, what is the spelling? Some companies, American English say one way, US English says different way. But people use both. COLOUR, COLOR. So your domain should have a both. So somebody type a COLOR.com, it should come to you. COLOUR, type it, it comes to you. So that's the reason multiple domain is important part. Is having a multiple keyword domain names good for SEO? Yes, it is very good for SEO. Okay. How to make money on YouTube with affiliate marketing? This actually, when I mentioned it about that our YouTube mastery, it's covered in comprehensively, but I mentioned it as on an affiliate marketing link you're keeping in the YouTube description. YouTube is silent about it. YouTube is said yes or no. They never said anything. People are doing, many people are utilizing. So far, no issues. And I think they'll not make a problem, but we cannot, the YouTube is silent. In a terms and conditions not mentioned. Some condition, there is a condition you cannot take some condition actually can be derived. They don't allow, but actually they're allowing. That's the reason I use the word silent. Okay. So you need to take a risk on it. So you want to promote through YouTube, you can do. But actually use a YouTube to rank it in the Google and get the traffic. That's the easiest way. But of course, in that video place, you can actually keep the affiliate link. How does Google AdSense work with the blogger? Same like any other website. Same, but blog is known for more on our Google AdSense because Google introduced AdSense. They were promoting a blog because the blog is also another blogspot.com and all. Google has a very much interested in that. So that's the reason Google promoted blogs. So a lot of bloggers make a good money with the AdSense. So same way, same in a website how it is working. Same method in the blog also. So there's no difference between them. Okay. What are the highest paying affiliate program and how much affiliate links pay? Oh, this is there in the affiliate mastery one full day. The topic name itself, high paying niche. So please go and watch. Main rules and factors for a good affiliate niche website. Describe with a simple example. Main rules and factors affiliate niche website. Niche website is actually 4 rules which I think I mentioned. High competition, high search volume. High demand, low competition, good search volume, good when we say between 30,000 and 100,000 long tail keyword, and you can rank faster, and your basket size based on a basket size or a ARPU, you can increase, which means you have a good commission from one customer. So this isn't a simple way. I don't know, it's make you simple way. That's the easiest way to explain, but you need to understand what is ARPU, what is the basket size, what is the niche, what are the keywords, what is the density, and what is the MSP. That's all important, and there's no spoon feed. You need to learn. So go and watch all the recordings. You cannot do someone simple give you a spoon. You cannot digest that way. So you need to understand. You have to make it ready your stomach to even you get a kind of a spoon. Okay. How websites are ranking in the high profitable niche? Same as like an SEO. How to set up a high ranking keyword for a website? How to set up a high ranking keyword for a website? Same process. There's no other shortcut. Okay. Can we use influencer marketing for a small business? Of course, yes. and explain more about CRM tools for affiliate marketing. There are different CRM tools you can use. You type on a CRM for a affiliate website, CRM for e-commerce website. Any CRM tools you can use. There's no particular one. Which we use something called Infusionsoft. You can also use the same if you want to. Why is influencer marketing growing faster nowadays? How Instagram influencers works? Attend the Saturday program, which is where mentioned in the entire thing deleted this Saturday. Please do that one. Okay. Explain the details about website flipping with an example. Go to flipper.com, embeddedflippers.com, all the things. I think it's all of you go back and watch the website and do it. It's okay. Which are the problems we are going to face while handling niche website? Is it possible to connect two niche websites? What are the problems we are going to face while handling niche website? Oh, what's the problem? You don't have any problem, sir, according to me. What do you mean by the problem, sir? Is it possible to connect two niche websites? To connect where? I'm not sure about the questions. Please ask me again this question. Okay. Now we go to the next part. What are the services provided in eco-friendly beauty products niche? Oh, it's a good question. Eco-friendly beauty products is a good niche, first of all. Thank you so much. Thanks for thinking about that. Is a good one. Now, eco-friendly beauty products. So services you can actually, normally in the beauty product, the services they give us, I think someone asked me yesterday the same. The beauty product they give a skin test, or maybe consultation, or maybe they give a facial. So as I mentioned yesterday, usually these kind of website you can affiliate with like a coupon website, like a Groupon. So they promote a local group, sales promotion you can do. Then maybe mobile app download can be there. Digital products download can be there. Or consultation can be the most common thing. And online consultation, telemedicine, can be. So all the things can be part of that to offer club with that. In terms of very purely, if you're talking services, obviously the consultation, laser therapies, or a beautician, or facials, all the things you can actually as a promote as a service. The challenge is they may not have an affiliate program for these kinds of local websites. So that's the reason those who promote through an affiliate program through coupons and vouchers, yesterday I mentioned that couponemperor.com, couponrani.com, couponraja.com, groupon.com. All these companies give you a lot of affiliate program to do this one. Okay. Now, what are the benefits of starting an offshore company? So offshore company, when you start, you can actually, your tax, one is issue. You don't record an office setup, you got a payment gateway. And you can handle many of the legal issues in order. Majorly tax benefit, and majorly sometimes you will be get away with the regulatory approvals. So you don't know. Some countries you need to start this is with you need a commercial license. So commercial license you need an office space. Office space you need advance. You're going to pay an advance and made an agreement of a minimum of 1 year or 5 years. There's an advance to be paid. Then you set up an office. Then you need a chartered accountant. Then you apply for through a registration process. Then apply for a tax, maybe 1 or 2 different level of tax. There are different various of approvals. Some of the countries it's very complicated. So before you start the business, you get a lot of money. And it's not one time. For example, you take an office for your license. Office every month you get a rent, right? And unless you have a commercial place, many of the banks will not give you payment gateway. So you need to maintain that office again. So it will really cost you on a monthly basis. So same thing if you start an offshore company. Most of the offshore companies are very simple. Maybe in 1 hour, you can actually finish a registration of the company. Another 1 day, you can finish a bank account. So that's a good thing. And a local office record, normally the company secretary of that country, he will use his office address. So you cannot use for a marketing purpose, but you can use for government, to come to the papers, collection, reminders from the government, notices from the government, or in urgent, some document you wanted to send it, or sometimes some urgently, something payment to be received, and like someone has to send the check courier to you, DD demand draft courier to you, something like that, say, you can receive, not for a couple to come, it's a Saturday come to office. So this is $800 to $1,000 the minimum, $5,000, $10,000 also. You can have a complete setup to end. So if you, for example, if you consider that is on a year time, if you are spending for setting an office and other things, this is a huge cost. not even 10% of the cost is you record for this purpose. So that's the reason offshore company is very good. How to create an efficient daily operating manual? What should be my focus points of acquiring a website and corresponding affiliate program? Okay, how to create an efficient daily operating manual? So it depends upon what you do. Like if it's an e-commerce website, it is a different manual. If it is an affiliate website, there's a different manual. If you're a social media influencer, there's a different manual. Now, if you don't have a manual, the problem people will get confused what I'm supposed to do on a daily basis. See, for example, it's a manual like this. If you start a retail outlet, you by default, you don't have many other retail outlets, they don't have a manual, but manual they have in there in the mind. They don't have a manual printed and kept most of the time. But there are, of course, good companies, they have a manual. They're in a day book, some companies say, right? So different, something only as instead of operating manual, it's a day book. So most of the companies, if you joined, they'll give you a day book in your hands, right? So saying that this morning you have to come, you're supposed to park the car here, and you open it every day. Like, your office, it should be open before 9 o'clock, and it should be clean. Before 9 o'clock, customers comes in, you need to clean, switch on the air conditioner, air purifier, washroom to be cleaned, and put the showcase products out, and you put cash counter is ready, lights are on, and people can come in, your computers are on, printer is on, and everything is on. That's the beginning, right? That's the first day. So after that, each person is coming, there's a person to receive them, and if he can place an order, it's a shopping cart, they can take a shopping cart is in place. So all the things is actually a shopkeeper or a merchant knows it to be set up. Similarly here, you need to have a daily, what exactly? So open your website, make sure that website is working properly. That's the first thing, because it's on a system is working right. There is a server is only giving you assurance of a 99.94% or 99.9%, okay. Which means in a year, maybe around 5 to 10 days, it won't work. Okay, right? 5 to 10 days is too much. But overall, look at you can see 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours in a month. It comes around 1 to 2 or 3 days. Depends on the server quality. It will be actually not working. Don't get panicked. That is a part of a system. Like recently Google was not working, right? You remember that recently, last month, Gmail was not working properly. So I'm not saying completely down. Sometimes completely down as well, because servers get down. I'm talking some portion may not be working, not properly loading. These are very common in a year. You have to expect around 5 to 10 days. This problem will be there. So that's the reason. Any server you check it, they tell you 99 point. No, nobody say 100%. Now sometimes there's some kind of issues. In addition, like a marine cable got an issue, satellite is down. So many other issues was there. You're not supposed to have it. Like airline was down. You remember that last year, 2 years ago, 1 year ago, airline was down. The airline system was down. Airline website was down. Not 1 or 2 days, right? How many flights is so it's happened. So don't get panicked. That's a part of a business, but lesser the better. So that's the reason. Good go for a quality server. So there, so you make sure that it's functioning and major portion is working. Check that everything your social media is working like that. The initial part is first 30 minutes. Check the emails, check this social media, check the WhatsApp, and respond to the client. That should be the first one when the moment the first day starting part. And look at the goal book. What is the goal for day? So like you have 3 sales a day, 5 sales a day, or a campaign setting up day. So every day goals you're achieving or not. On any campaign is running. An email from, if it is an affiliate website, email from merchants like Amazon send you an affiliate. You being an affiliate, you have an additional facility. This. You being a merchant, you have an additional facility. This is like the different thing. A manufacturer sent to a merchant, you're an e-commerce, and you get that one. So different offers from them will be there. Some payment gateway, some notification will be there. Your tools, some notification will be there. So all the things checking it is and responding and taking appropriate action. Then majorly will be, of course, a campaign. So you have a 3 to 5 hours if you're working, or 8 hours you're working. This will be spent on 30 minutes to 1 hour. So every day that should be a booting one. When the moment you're on it, that's so they should check it is. Now update related SEO activities should be there. Related social media activity will be there. Opt-in list activities should be there. Email marketing activity should be there. Newsletter preparation will be there. Maybe once in a week you're sending a newsletter. So tomorrow the newsletter is going. Today you complete the newsletter work. So once in a week there's a newsletter should go. And all these things are part of a daily operating system for your website. And this should come into the system. So you're working for hours, how much time you spend on social media, how much time you spend on email marketing, how much time you spend on SEO activities, how much time you spend on search engine marketing, how much time you spend on Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, influencer relationship. All the things you have to divide and work for a week's time. Because all these activities may not be possible on a daily basis. So daily operating system, operation manual, you should, so that is changes on a not one day routine. Standard one is there, and every Monday has a different one, every Tuesday has a different one. So that's the reason every week, daily means Monday has one thing, Tuesday has one thing, Thursday has a, so like that's the operation manual works on it. What my focus points are: acquiring a website and corresponding affiliate programs. To get an affiliate program from a affiliate unit website, like this we mentioned the discussion part, egg and chicken issue. To get good affiliate programs, you need to have a good traffic. So your website must have traffic. So you need to plan the traffic even before your website is ready. That's what I'm telling everyone. Your website is ready, then you apply for affiliate program. They reject because they say you don't have a traffic. So that's the reason. Before even website, you need to have your something on list building. You make your list of the people to reach out to. So that is the list building part. It's important as well. Okay. So that's why you need to make ready your audience, social media audience, email marketing audience, your WhatsApp, increase the number of groups and etc. is a part. Okay, it's an important part. Okay. How to actually implement SEO 101 with the long tail keyword? Should I focus more on creating content around the long tail keywords, or is there any other strategies other than creating content around the long tail keywords? SEO 101, the content, SEO 101, or the normal SEO 101. The SEO 101 is strategy. Even SEO, yes, the long tail, content is very important. So when we go for a long tail keyword, in the content must carry long tail keywords. So 5% is the density, 3 to 5% of the density of the long tail keyword we say in the content. So you must follow that rule. So you should have every 1,000, 50 words of a long tail keyword. Okay. Other than social media and SEO, what are the main organic strategies for driving traffic to your website? Of course, you can have email marketing, you can have a funnel marketing, you can promote a blog, you can do social media influencer, you can do what else you can do? Text messages marketing. You can go for a newsletter marketing, a white paper on press releases, news. All the things are organic part. You can use all this traffic method. Also do in a SEO 101. SEO 101 anyway, around 30 to 60. This is basically marketing only. Few is on a backlinking, other things. It's not very relevant, but of course, more than 50% is basically driving traffic through an organic itself. We are not, of course, we are using little on a black hat, and we'll also use other paid search as well. So that's a combination make SEO 101 properly working. What is the benefit of EPC programs over CPC program? EPC program and CPC is almost the same. So a different company defined in a different way. That's it. Will the ad tag when we do SEM for SEO make the visitor suspicious? If visitor decide not to click because in an ad, does not that reduces our ROI on that particular marketing strategy? What doing that? Yes, it's a challenge because, as you know, most of the companies, including Facebook and Google, they have a not only click chart, they have something called CPM as well. So if they show the ad and customers are not clicking, actually Facebook and Google going to bill it. So that's a challenge that we cannot get away with that. That's the reason organic is much better. So that's the reason I have been talking about SEO, or a social media influencer. So in both cases, we don't have to go through this one. But of course, a mixer of this, I think you've seen at the website traffic, and the traffic means giving food to the website. So you need to have multiple food. You can only have one kind of a meal. You need to have a different kind of food to come to. You need a fiber, you want the carbohydrates, you want everything to come to your body, right? So that way you need to have some time. Even this also you have to spend some time. And sometimes there's a drawback of that. Like you put a newspaper ad, not necessarily every newspaper readers respond on it. Some people don't respond, right? And sometimes you do a newspaper ad, you say, I don't want this ad to go to so and so places because I don't have a target audience from that state. But they say, no, our edition anyway going there. So we cannot completely define. If you go for a homepage, that will go there. So then you pay the money. So same drawback is here for a Google AdWords and Facebook as well. So that's you cannot get away. So they charge you for a CPM and CPC. So even a CPC is not happening, CPM we are paying money. So that's a drawback. This is we cannot get away with that. Okay. How to find the private level products? What will be the requirement needed to be satisfied in order to obtain a private level product from a company? Private level is not that way. It's so complicated. Look like you go to any products, type private level, write 4 sons of products. So you get 100 on websites. Easiest way, go to Warrior Plus, JVSU, ClickBank. You get all these places. You get a lot of private level products. Okay, there's so many private products. Thousands of private level products will be there in these websites. Will you be using comprehensive admin dashboard of ADM for managing our website? Nothing called comprehensive dashboard of ADM. So you're choosing as an affiliate dashboard, you can do, or you're choosing ADM website builder. So that is actually your dashboard will be there. It's not ADM website builder, because once you build a website, that's your dashboard. So we don't have something called ADM website, ADM dashboard. Okay. Any shortcut for market analysis? Actually, no. Keyword research and competition search, there's no other shortcut. Okay, there is no shortcut for shortcut. This itself is a shortcut. Okay. Will the website given to us be AOBB? Not necessarily all the website is AOBB. You opted for AOBB, you get a website, AOBB website. Not necessarily everyone has a website. When you mention it's a website, it's not a bundle. If you mention as a website, usually it's a bundle. We always mention or a bundle. If you have emails or a confirmation mail or the product you're choosing as a website, usually it is not AOBB. Okay, so cross-verify that one. Other than revenue, does website age also matters during clicking? Yes, your website is older, you get a better price. So older the part, you get a better price on it. So that's a older site has a more value. Can we add a blogs to our website with a long tail keyword so that those who search with these keywords will be directed to our website? Yeah, blog is one of the major strategy for SEO. And in our affiliate dashboard, if you're talking about, you can create a blog inside of the website itself. So there you can use a long tail keyword. So it's a good one. Okay. Can you please explain about an eBay store? What is it to explain? Go to ebay.com, use creating a store in an eBay. That is called eBay store. So creating your own setup, kind of a marketplace, you're going and starting your own store is called eBay store. Once our website is ready, will we be modifying dashboard or it's already done model by company? There's a done for you websites that's coming up. That's about online shopping mall. If you're referring that, it's a done for you website. The dashboard, if you get it, you can actually you can modify model. I'm talking about the dashboard modifying or a website modifying. There is, for example, category, subcategory, sub-in category. If you wanted to modify, that's tremendous. Yes, you can do. You can change the homepage. You can change the homepage banner. You can change the monetization banner. You can change the slide banner. You can change the menu button. You can change the footer button. You can change the logo. You can do. You can fix the category, subcategory, sub-in category. You can also fix the order of the category, sub-in category. You want to change the order. You want to see the first color, then show the size, or you want to show the size first, then show the color. These are the changes you can do. So this is what you meant is, yes, you can do your changes yourself. It's not a done for you. Even our done for you, we give a done for you, but still people can edit. Okay. How to create keyword search on the buying persona of the customer? Not understood. How to create keywords? Create a keywords, okay. How to create keyword search on the buying persona of the customer? I think I'm not understood. How to create keywords? How do you create a keywords or identify keywords? Okay, how to do create keyword research? Not sure. How to create keyword search on buying persona of the customer? You identify a keyword, then you understand the customer, right? Or you understand the customer, then search for a keyword also is possible. Both ways is possible. I'm not sure what is exactly meant. how affiliate marketing niche would be connected to other dropship method. Affiliate marketing, most of the people start affiliate marketing when you find a market is there, then you can go for dropship. That's one of the smartest things to do. Why? Because now before you go, so for you to do a dropship, you need to have a company registered and website, so many things. So you're going to do more money investing. So are you sure you'll have business or not? You're not sure. So that's the reason many of the people start an affiliate business. Once you start an affiliate business, you will understand. For example, let's say you're starting a T-shirt as an affiliate program. Then you are able to sell 1,000 T-shirt in a month. 1,000 T-shirt you can mail it. So then you can do a dropship arrangement or any other e-commerce arrangement. That is 1,000 people are buying a T-shirt from you on a monthly basis. So you can start. So why you should start? For example, you're selling a T-shirt for $10 and your commission is 10%. You get only $1 per T-shirt. Now, if you start your own e-commerce business, your own affiliate business, your own dropship business, instead of $10, your cost will be only $5. So, or maybe $2. So you make a $8 profit or a $5 profit for $10 instead of a $1. Hope it is clear on that. So that's the reason. Before you start an e-commerce, before you start a dropship, it's a good idea to start affiliate marketing. Okay. How we can make the cost per sale or cost per click would benefit the customer who visit the website. How we can make the cost per sale or a cost per click would benefit the customer who visit the website. What kind of a benefit they should expect? Why they click it? They want information. So how you make a click? For example, you say download the report. So that will be your affiliate program. Or inquire about it. He click it. So he get a benefit. So he inquire about, let's say Alibaba price is inquiring. He's inquiring about the price. So he's getting inquiry and information. That's what is exactly. That's a benefit he's getting. So what else the benefit you are looking on? How we can earn through SEO in our website. When you do an SEO, you get a traffic, then you get a sales, whether an affiliate or an e-commerce. That should be that, right? What is the difference between EPC and CPM and CPC? Sort of very basic questions. I think all of you, I request you to go through the affiliate program, affiliate mastery. So this is so many times, and not one or two, more than 5-10 times it's explained. EPC is earning per click. That's similar to CPC. Just now answer. CPM is the cost per million. Cost per million is every 1,000 people visit your website, you get it made. That's called a CPM. Okay. Any methods to involve the social media influencers in the marketing strategy? Of course, you need to have a tie-up with the social media influencers to have a rapport, to build a rapport. That's one of the initial part itself you should do. So you need to use platforms like ADM SIP or any other social media influencer platform to have a tie-up with influencers to promote it. That's a part of the strategy, yes. Is it possible to drop service with affiliate marketing? Yes, of course it is possible. But you should have technologies in place. It's work properly. Okay. I want to know about consultant opportunity. How I can register. When I'll start working, what do you mean by complete setup and kit for consultant? In consultant kit, what will include? When one will get the kit and start earning? Consultant with ADM is in a full-time or a part-time? It's a series of questions. I'll one by one answer. I want to know about consultant opportunity. So consultant opportunity, as I mentioned, you act as an online business consultant. As you know, the consultant is the person who helps the people to grow and make strategies and find a solution and make things happen and help them to coordinate and organize it and get it done. So this basically is called a consultant, right? So here, an online business consultant is basically are helping the person for what do you call that? To do anything. It's online business aspect. So that's it's a consultant opportunity. Now here, what we meant as a consultant opportunity, as we know, so we have a mentoring offer, 3-5 categories, right? We have a mentoring, digital mentoring offer, consulting, digital mentoring offer, supporting, digital mentor offer, coaching and mentoring. So one of the things is a consulting. So where we look for a person to make a strategies, a person to take a leadership, it's a consultant. So it is, so you become a consultant with the company. So all the clients, either we will give it to you, or those who are associated with us, or you wanted to take up a client, you can actually do. So here is one of the position with the companies, online business consultant, and that's an opportunity. And you get now we are giving a minimum contract of $2,000 if you are ready to work for 8 hours, and you can actually build that for the company itself. So you don't record any other client. If you're ready to work on this, you can have this one. That's called an own opportunity, and you also get a performance fee. You also got a niche facility. And yesterday in the FAQ, I covered all this point. So just quickly answer for this. How can I register? There is a form, or there's online. You can register for a consultant. Go to the adm.com, adm.qa store. There's a consultant package you can buy. When I will start working now, so today we had a pre-boarding day. Wednesday, we have a consultant onboarding day. The day after tomorrow, the 16th of September, who can start working, those who are joining now. What do you mean by complete setup and kit for consultant? There is a comprehensive business kit for a consultant will be done, which I mentioned yesterday. Quickly revamp, and yesterday's very detailed. I think you know that every kit we discussed, and we also given a comparison chart for kit part. So quickly, the complete setup is your company name, your corporate identity, your which include your logo, business card, letterhead, envelope, everything. That's called corporate identity. Then we set up an office address for you. We set up a cloud number for you. We get a e-commerce portal, a consultant portal, which has an e-commerce facility, which has which also has a live webinar facility similar to adm.qa. Yeah, everything you get it. You also get a drop service website. You also get a niche store website, online shopping model website. You also get an affiliate website. And so a complete comprehensive person to act and run as on business, so even work as a full time and make good money. So that kit is already given to the consultant. Okay. Now in consultant kit, what does it include? So completely, please refer yesterday's one. Everything is in detail and mentioned. Each one point was every slide is we mentioned separate one. When one will get the kit and start earning. So usually the kit is if he's choosing a EMI, most of the consultant choosing an EMI. So as soon as the 3 installments comes in, 3 EMI come to the company, we'll start delivering the product on it. Otherwise, you pay 3 installment. Otherwise, there is something called setup charges you can pay and get the products in the very next one. So not every product comes to you 3 months. For example, you get an affiliate website immediately. And all the things will be there for everyone before championship, including online shopping mall, including AVD. Everything will be there before championship. Consultant within ADM is in a full-time or a part-time. You can do full-time or a part-time. And nowadays, I'm going to encourage most of the consultant to become a full-time, because most of you are not able to work 8 hours and make 8 hours work, you get $2,000. So if you're not working a full-time, you don't get that kind of money. So if you don't have any other profession or business, I recommend you to become a full-time and take that advantage. And you have a team and many things happening. There are so many things, right? So, but if you want to do part-time, also fine, no issues. Okay, but you need to really manage your time. I believe I answered all this question. Okay. Best affiliate website builder other than ADM website builder. First of all, ADM website builder is not an affiliate website builder. Number one, ADM website builder, you cannot have an affiliate website. ADM website has an affiliate program, but we don't. It's not affiliate website. Is my knowledge, I'm not aware of any other affiliate website builder. That's exactly the reason we have an affiliate website. Affiliate platforms. So affiliate platform, I'm not aware of any other things. If you know, you let me know. We don't know, actually. I'm not finding it because it is without coding how you dial up, it is a problem. If it is you use a WordPress, of course WordPress can be used. Of course there are different kind of can use, but exclusively for an affiliate platform, I'm not aware. Even I'm aware, you send me, I'll definitely copy that models they have, because everything which we are there in the affiliate dashboard is our own ideas, and we brought it. And this is not from ADM. It is basically ADM is negotiated and got the deal with another company which I was part of. So around 1,200 websites, a subsidized price. Subsidized price is actually because they're part of the made as a consortium. So that's the reason you're getting that affiliate website in the damn cheap price. You can check the different market, those who are done in UAE, Qatar, India, Malaysia. So they have given a website $2,000, $5,000, $10,000, which you are getting less than $1,000. It's not exactly thing. There are few components is removed. But still, it's worth it. It's a good deal. You get for $1,000 to done, but you have to set up here so many things. You have to set up yourself, like a product add-on, applying for a merchant, and that you should do. But anyway, you have to do, right? So that's the reason. If you know anyone, you let me know. I'll study about that. The modeling principle, we can learn about them. That's the reason you don't get it now. So that's the reason I recommend you to choose one of the affiliate website, not ADM website builder. ADM website builder is not an affiliate platform. That's two different things. Okay, ADM website builder, you can have a e-commerce, you can have a funnel, you can have a landing page, and you can have a membership site, you can have a service website, you can even have a Airbnb website. I mean, a drop service website you can have, but not affiliate. Affiliate, we have a different platform, so that has been used now. I believe it's no confusion on this one. Okay. So thank you so much. I think I have super speed. I think I covered all the things. So I wanted to finish off today because tomorrow we have a new topics starting. Now, any more questions are there? Like live, you wanted to ask me any more questions? Please do. Otherwise, we can end for today. Today, no mastermind. Any more questions you have? Some of us still does not know the time has changed. We actually informed to everyone, please check your email. The moment you're registered in adm.qa, we send out an email. You please check it in the email spam and everything will be there. Okay. Almost every day we keep sending the mail saying order 6 p.m. is the market. Okay. Yeah. Any more questions you have? I believe no questions. I think thank you so much, all of you. I think we'll end today. So early today. So there's we'll prepare for tomorrow's a major content we are coming out. So please do come back tomorrow with a new topic will start. And I'm looking forward all of you to be part of promotion already started for our 19th program. Please do that one. Starter in the sense just created and have some products. Not sure about Sunil what you're saying. Okay. Starter in the sense just created and have some products. I'm not sure what it is. Okay. So I believe if you have further more questions, I think we will try to do tomorrow. They have slightly bigger topics. So we try to do another Q&A on a Thursday. You please ask the questions by Thursday. Okay. So we'll send you a thank you letter. Along with that, you get this message and do this one. Okay. So thank you so much, all of you. I'll see you tomorrow.